Hello, health enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. My name is Eva and I'm one of the physical therapy providers here at Optimum Wellness Center. Today's discussion is regarding how to reduce your back stiffness and back pain by doing exercises in a seated position. We have an office chair here like some of you will be at work, and we are going to use that as today's prop. You want to make sure when you sit in your office chair that has wheels, you sit on the edge, keep one foot on the ground for your safety so you don't fall out of the chair. Our first two exercises are stretches, and we are going to make sure we hold them 30 to 60 seconds, and we're going to do about 2 to 3 repetitions. Make sure you do it on both sides. The first stretch is for your hamstring, and what you're going to do is you're going to extend your leg out on the ground, tighten the knee, you're going to engage your abdominal muscles, and you're going to bend forward at your hips till you feel a nice pull at the back of the leg. Again, 30 to 60 seconds is your hold, and then you're going to sit upright in between. The second stretch we're going to work on is called your piriformis muscle. For those of you that have a total hip, do not cross midline. What you will do, or the modification for that, is you will bring your foot to your opposite knee and you're just going to let the leg hang. Let gravity do the stretch, 30 to 60 seconds, and relax. For those of you that don't have a total hip replacement, the easiest way to do this stretch, especially for men who are less mobile in their hips, is to bring the opposite leg, cross it over and just below the knee. You want to hold that 30 to 60 seconds and then relax. The next modification for that, or a little bit more advanced, is to bring the leg up above the knee, bend that knee, and hold in this position, engaging your abdominal muscles. The most advanced is leaning forward and putting a real good stretch on that muscle, okay? Then what we want to work on is we want to work on core strengthening, which can be done again in the chair. And I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me better. The first move is called abdominal bracing, and that's really where you're just engaging your core isometrically. So what you do is you find your belly button and you suck it up and in towards your rib cage. You're going to hold for about 10 seconds and then you're going to relax. And you're going to do that again. In the process of doing that, you will see that your pelvis will actually rock backwards, and that's good. That's what we want. And then you're going to relax. So that's called abdominal bracing. And we want to use that technique for the next maneuver, which is actually doing a chair sit-up. So when you do the chair sit-up, you're going to make sure you extend your legs out. The easiest version of the chair sit-up is to cross your hands across your chest. Engage those muscles again, doing that abdominal bracing, and lean back in the chair. After leaning back, you're going to sit back upright, making sure you're not pulling with your legs, and making sure it is all your abdominal muscles that bring you back. The more advanced of this is to bring your arms out. Make sure you keep your neck in alignment, and you're not either bringing it down or bringing it back up. And what you want to do, again, engaging those muscles, lean back, bring yourself back up, lean back, and bring yourself back up. The last two exercises we want to do are in the standing position, and these again can be done at your desk. The first one is you're going to take your hands, you're going to put it behind your back, and you're just going to bend backwards till you feel a nice pull at the back, and you're going to straighten back up. You're going to go back, and you're going to straighten back up. Some of you probably already do this automatically and don't even realize why you're doing it, but you're doing it, your back needs it, and it needs it throughout the day, and it does feel better. The very last thing is a strengthening maneuver for the back muscles and the hip muscles. You want to engage your abdominals. For those of you that don't have great balance, you can do this by keeping your toe on the ground, and you're going to extend the leg back, bring it in. Again, engage the abdominals, extend back, bring it in. You do want to alternate your legs when you do this. The more advanced of this is to, again, engage the abdominals, keep the knee straight, kick back, bring it back in, engage, kick back, and bring it back in. This concludes our video for today. I want to thank you all for being here. I want you to like us, if you can, on Facebook at Optimum Wellness Centers with an S. so you can get our notifications. We are online at OptimumWellnessCenters.com, and we also have a YouTube channel for Optimum Wellness Centers. Bye-bye.